So today I'm going to be making this step stool, and this is an adjustable step stool. And it can also be used as a chair for the workshop. So stick around and I'll show you how I made it. To build the step stool, I use mostly 3/4 inch plywood. So now is a good time to test out my new bevel gauge. So for the sides, they'll be 9 inches. So here I'm going to cut the extended legs, and I'm going to rough cut them right now. After I fit them in, I can always trim them down later. So now I'm going to drill some holes, and they'll be for the magnets, and there's 2 on each of the sides. Now I'm just going to glue in the magnets, and I'll be using Gorilla Glue. I've used it before, and it's worked all right. I put on some carriage bolts on both ends, and now I can put the legs on. Now I can cut the top of the step stool, and it will be 17.5 inches by 11. Now I'm going to start the assembly, and what I'm going to do is pre-drill it and put in some screws. I don't want to use brad nails or glue because I may have to take it apart to adjust the legs. I'm going to make a handle for the top, and this piece won't fit in the drill press, so I'll do it with my cordless drill. So my step stool is finished, and I'm really happy with this one. I can use it as a step stool or as a small chair in the workshop. So anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you guys soon.